Hello guys, this is Ian from Banana Sloth Games, and today I'm bringing you the footage from my recent computer build. This is actually the first PC I've ever built, and the first machine running Windows. All my other computers were Macs. The case I chose was the Corsair Obsidian Series 750D because it has plenty of room to upgrade. The CPU I chose was an Intel Core i7 4790K running at 4.0 GHz, but I might overclock it in the future, but I don't think I'm ready for that right now. I chose an all-in-one water cooling loop, but I might upgrade that to a custom one later. It's the Corsair H100i. The graphics card I chose is an Asus Strix NVIDIA GTX 980. The SSD in this build is an Intel 730 series 256GB SSD. I also have a Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. It also has an EVGA Supernova G2 1000W power supply. It's overkill, but it allows me to upgrade later on. Finally, I replaced all the fans in the case with different ones. 4 Corsair SP 120mm fans and 1 Corsair Airflow 140mm fan. With this build, I was able to get a stable 60 FPS plus on Far Cry 4 at ultra settings. I also can get 200 to 300 FPS on TF2 at all times. I tried it on Minecraft just for the lulz and I got 700 FPS plus at all times. Okay, so let's turn it on. Obviously this fan's not gonna run because that one needs the cable extender. So press the power button. No? Do I have to hold it? Maybe. No. Oh, I'm stupid. Like that. Oh, something's lighting up. It lit up. Okay. Whoa. Okay. That's a good sign. Fans are on. Except that one's not. Those are on. That lit up. Yes. Okay. That means it's working, sort of. Yeah. Good. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.